Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install or reinstall ChromeOS from USB on your ACER Chromebook 315. For this operation we're gonna need a USB flash drive like this or an SD card with at least 8 GB of available storage on it. Depending on which one you prefer to use, you either have to use a USB type A port or the SD card reader. Both of them are located on the edge, on the left edge of your laptop. You can also find another USB type A port on the right edge of your computer. And the next thing that we're gonna need is the separate device with Google Chrome on it and with internet connection, of course, to create a bootable image of our ChromeOS. First of all, we're gonna need to check the model name of our ACER, and to do so, hold down the escape button and refresh button at the same time, and while holding them together, short press power button to turn on your PC. This will open the recovery mode on our device, and now we're gonna have to check the model name, which is located right here. And so yeah, keep your device on, and in the meantime switch to another PC with Google Chrome opened on it. Okay, so now in Google Chrome search for Chromebook Recovery and find the official chromewebstore.google.com website and open it, and then click Add Chrome, select Add Extension. You cannot do this in incognito mode, so be aware of it. And now click this extension, then click Get Started. Provide your model name that you're seeing on the screen, on the screen of your ACER. And then press Enter or click Continue. Then select your USB storage, but before you do that, actually, let's go back one step back and let's also format our USB flash drive to NTFS format. To do that, right click your flash drive, select Format, and then select File System NTFS, and then click Start, click OK. Once format is complete, let's click Continue. Of course, if you have any files on your USB flash drive, back them up before completing this operation, before formatting it, of course. And select your USB flash drive from the list, and click Continue, then click Create Now, and then wait until the recovery image is downloaded, then uploaded onto your USB flash drive. And once your recovery media is ready, you can click OK and then safely eject your USB flash drive from your computer. And after that, insert your USB flash drive or SD card into your ACER. Let me do this real quick. Okay. And once you do that, your screen will go black. Then your device will start verifying the integrity of your recovery media. Make sure that your device is plugged into the power source and wait for the verification to complete, and then the installation process will start. Okay, and right now the system recovery is in progress, so let's just wait for the next step, just make sure that your device is plugged into the power source all the time. And once the recovery is complete, remove the media or the USB flash drive from your computer, and then your PC will restart automatically. Wait for it. And now you're gonna have to set up your Chromebook once again. So select your language first, right here. Select your system language in this field and select your input method in this one. I'm gonna go with the English US, click OK, then click Get Started, then connect to your Wi-Fi network, select one from the list and enter the password to it. Press enter to connect. And wait until the device gets ready. Click next, then select your usage type, so either for personal use, for a child, or for work. If this laptop is an organization of your if this laptop is a property of your organization. I'm gonna go with personal use, then click next, and then check, then the laptop will check for updates. Now the laptop will install the latest update, and we can either wait for the update to complete or skip the update once the respective option appears right here. Let's actually wait for the update so we can set up this PC in full. Okay, now you have two choices, either to enter your Google account password or to automatically get account from Android phone. I'm gonna go with the first option. Then I'm gonna have to enter either my phone number or email linked to my Google account. For some reason the Swedish language was chosen instead of US. I'm not sure which one is oh, okay, I can pretty much go with this much since it's Google. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to enter the password to my account. Let's just wait. Press enter to confirm. Then let's read and accept terms and conditions. Click accept and continue. Then click accept and continue once again. And then enter your PIN code into the following field. Click next and enter your PIN code once again to confirm. Then click next once again. Then click done and wait for a while. Then you can choose one of the available presets for usage of your device, but you can also do this later in settings. So I'm gonna skip this step for now. Click next. Now if you want to connect your Android device with your Chromebook, you can click connect. You can choose device from this list and click connect, or otherwise click no thanks. And then you have three more settings that you can change, like touchpad scrolling direction, display text size, like or dark theme, but you can also skip all of that and then adjust all of the settings later in settings. Click get started, and at this point the setup is complete. Now you just have to select your default search engine, click search as default, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.